Hey everyone, I'm super excited to share with you Salestools 5.0, and it's built out with all the feedback each one of you has provided to Salestools. So I'm going to show you what we've been working extremely hard on here at our team. First of all, the dashboard getting a full revamp across your team, across everything you need to know, including a two-way sync to your CRM to understand how much pipeline did Salestools attribute with. Full review of your AI agents, your team. You can go in and see how is Mike performing, how many open rates, performance AI agents, and activities he's having. Visitor intelligence, which also sit under visitors, and activity feed in general. Activity feed is one of those things that a lot of customers have been asking about. We want to see the messaging in real time the AI agents are sending out. So here you go, we build it in. Now, we acknowledge that the future is changing rapidly, so is UX. So there's coming a chatbot where you can talk to your data, analyze it, start AI agents from the chat itself. Think about Lovable for sales, while the rest of Salestools will be Cursor for sales. So we take best of both worlds to enable you and your go-to-market to do better. Now, if you're going to see your leads, and I just have some dummy data here, you can update the data in real time, and you'll notice that it's safe. So you also have an intent score based on visit, intent everywhere, to score and rank the leads based on engagement to figure out who you're going to reach out to. You will have a full access to a prospecting database, which currently is 324 million people globally, and over 120 million of them has a mobile number. You can search and add them to your agents if you choose not to have the agent doing it, which is far easier. Intent discovery also come agent-based, but also for you to review and look at. We surface the entire intent standardized through LLMs, the data in front of you. So you will know who is looking to implement a CRM right now, or a service or product, through social listening on LinkedIn, through websites, through your visitors on your website. We combine all this into what we call a revenue intelligence network. Right now is basic intent of the next level. Social selling, again, have been around for a while, pioneered by Salestools. We can listen to potential customers out of Sales Navigator and prepare a reply and send it, and then move between them. Now, visitor tracker itself, you're going to get a full intent score. We're going to rank them, how they're doing, if they're customers, sales opportunities automatically. And when you open them, you can see the timeline of what they visited, but also who is that person that visited. And we will crawl in your entire website, and we will rank from -10 to 10 your pages. You are able to edit this actually. So you can go in and change your ranking so the AI algorithm can rank the intent better. Now, suggested leads will be picked up from your AI library. So you design your ICPs, and we will tell you who are the suggested one. Obviously, you can either build an AI agent that automatically reach out and add them here manually. The inbox, when somebody replies, will now have a knowledge base. This knowledge base will simply, through AI, LLM, and reinforced learning, take all your replies, build a library, and of course, prepare the reply. But if there's something that you want to talk about, a product or a feature, you have the knowledge base with everything you need right there. Just throw it in one click, and you're good to go. Copilot mode is rapidly changing. Copilot is where you get the review of who you're sending out to an enterprise before you approve it. So for example, here's an email prepared. But what if I want to cold call Sarah before emailing her? Well, the deep research model shows me right here the most important insights I need to talk to her about. So I can just hit call now, reach out to her, and then after I can hit send now if she doesn't answer. And if she didn't answer the phone, for example, I can then say reach out on another time, for example. We have the full setup here, and then I can send and create another task. So you get a perfect way of running your outbound mechanism if you go Copilot. If it's autopilot, everything happens behind the scenes. But we didn't stop there. We realized maybe for some that want some of this information, the deep research sitting higher or somewhere else, we made it fully flexible so you can go in actually and move things around however you like and save it and then go live. Now the AI library, you can create multiple products, crawl in information about that product use when you are selling for the AI agent. But also the ICP targeting. You get multiple ICPs with the sign-in agent. You can see product 1, ICP 2, and then you put in your ICP here. For example, let me add one more person as a VP of marketing. Now, the VP of marketing, the system will tell me he is right now a decision maker. Maybe he's only a champion. So we change the setup of where he's ranked. So VP levels become champion, C-level decision maker, and so on and so forth. Now, that helps the AI model to understand who to prioritize, how to change the messaging through deep research, and so much more. This is just the start of the innovation we're pushing so hard to bring out to you right now at Salestools. So we welcome you to Salestools 5.0, coming in a couple of weeks.